Alright, here we go again, guys, just so you can see, well, guys, gals, YouTubers, as you can see, I have plastic wrap over the motor so that it won't get nasty. And here's the cleaner. Seems to be working really well. I'm going to hit it a couple times. We'll just keep working on it, let you know how it goes. It's really nothing to this. It's just spray bottle, grab it, let her have it. I'm not going to get any inside if I don't have to, because that's unprotected wood in there. So all of it's going outside here. Pretty nasty if you ask me. Here's the top wing. Might as well get that too. This doesn't work very well in my hands. I got a switch. Let that do its business. Let her soak for about 5 or 10 minutes. Wipe it off and see what happens. Okay.